Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So tonight we're going to do an unboxing from a company called the Mermaid Cavern, okay? And this was called Picking Flowers. Look how pretty she is, guys. It's very, very pretty. This is a company, it's run by husband and wife, and they're both artists, and they draw their own images, and it is licensed artwork, okay? So let's open this baby up. Let's see. I guess we could do it from down here. Doesn't matter which way. All right. I actually had ordered 2 paintings, but my friend said I should do an unboxing on this one. And I might be working on this one for the month of November also. Okay. So it comes in a plastic bag, as you can see, to protect it. All right, and this is, I believe, the inventory sheet. All right, so this is just a regular one. So let's see, got the drills. Got the drills out, and the kit, and the sticker sheet is in here. All right, so let's put the canvas there for now. All right, so here is the sticker sheet. This is what I was looking for. So it's got a picture, sparkle like a mermaid, the Mermaid Cavern. It is around and has 5 ABs, guys, which is awesome. As you can see, the stickers are pre-cut. They're pretty big also, which I like. Okay, so let's put that aside. And like I said, this is just a regular inventory sheet. Here's the kit. So let's see what we have, the toolkit. So we have a pen with a single placer, and this is the comfort grip. This is supposed to slide in your pen, which of course I always have difficulty with, but it's supposed to help with your hands, okay? Here you have some wax. Here you have some bags so you can put your drills in. Actually, this is also a multi-placer. I believe this is a 3, so you could actually pick 3 here. And this one looks like it might be, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7. I'm not sure. Maybe 7. And of course, a tray and some tweezers. All right, so let's put this all aside. And of course, the drills. All right, and the drills, guys, are resin, which is very nice because resin are very good quality, resin drills. So let's put that aside. Okay, let's look at the painting. So as you can see at the bottom of the painting, it says sparkle bright like a mermaid. Here you have a picture, picking flowers, the Mermaid Cavern. It's an 80.3 by 55 centimeters by 31.6. Yeah, this is the inches. 31.6 inches by 21.65 inches. And then here on the right-hand side, you can find them on Instagram, YouTube. I guess this is her Gmail and the website. Okay. So, and also if you as you can see, guys, it's got scallop edges, which is very nice because scallop edges helps for the painting not to fall apart. All right. And the back of the canvas, very, very soft, which is very nice. So let's see. Wow, she's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. All right, let's see. And of course, it's got 2 legends. All right, so it's got a legend on the left-hand side, on the top left-hand side, and then it's got another legend on the bottom right-hand side. If you look at your legend, it has the number of, it tells you the number of drills. So it tells you it has 60 drills. And then in the middle are just the symbols, and the symbols are what you're going to find in the painting. That's where you're going to place your drills. And then, of course, this is the DMC code. By looking down here, it tells you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Okay? Let's look at this beautiful painting. All right, so you see a very, very pretty girl. And then there's a huge moon in the background, which I love. Oh, my gosh. Look at the colors on the moon. And she's got a very, I think this is a blunt haircut. And she's got some bangs. She's got some pretty flowers on her hair. She's got these beautiful almond-shaped blue eyes. Looks like little red lips there. And then she has this beautiful dress. Look at this, guys. It has all the colors that I love. All these blues and greens, more like blues. And then she's holding these beautiful flowers. It looks like a bouquet of flowers. So she's basically picking flowers by the light of the moon. And I just love all these colors in the background. You got some purples here. Oh, wow, guys. I love her. And it's very, very clear. Let me bring it up so you can see. All right, let's see. Maybe you can see the symbols. Maybe. Look at that face. And it looks like it's got, well, you have, wow. Okay, let's see. Over here on the moon, it looks like confetti and color blocking. And just in case you're new, color blocking means it has the same color in a same, okay, like over here, let me show you, on her dress. You see how it has lots of H's? So that means that that's going to be the same color, the same drill. So that's called color blocking. You're not going to have to change drills a lot. But if you look at her bouquet of flowers, that has a lot of confetti, which means that you're going to have to change the drills. And I don't mind. I like a little bit of both, actually. Spectacular. Love her. All right, so let's look at the drills very quickly. Like I mentioned before, oh, by the way, before I forget, it is poured glue, okay? And the drills are resin. Let's see if I can open them. So there's 60 colors and 5 ABs. And ABs are Aurora. ABs just stands for Aurora Borealis, which means that it's just a drill with an extra shine. Wow, mamma mia. So let me take out the ABs. We said 5, right? Is that what we said? 5. So we got 1, 2. This one is not. Okay, so we have 5 here. Yep. We're going to put these aside and we're going to look back at the painting and see where these ABs belong in the painting. But very quickly, let's just see. I'm just going to open them like this so you can see the colors. And as you can see, guys, it has a lot of blues. In the blue family, you have grays, like a blue-green. You have purple, like navies, navy blues, some greens, some browns. This looks like a coral color. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think I'm going to definitely work on this one. I'm going to start kitting her up. All right, so let's look at the ABs. So we have this one here. It's like a purple. And this is another purple, but this one is a lighter one. Okay. And by the way, I forgot to mention also, I forget everything, guys. I apologize. You could actually choose if you want a round or a square drill. All right. Here you have like a pink. It's like a blush color. This is more like a peachy, light peachy color. And then, wow, this is very pretty. This is like an off-white, like it sort of like an ivory. Very pretty. I like that. All right, so let's look at the painting and let's see where these drills ABs go. All right. So of course, this is where the legend comes in handy. So we're going to look at the first one, which is 56, and 56 is 209 AB, and basically wherever you see number 2, and that's where you're going to place these ABs. Okay, I already see them right here. It's going to be on the violet flowers. Let's see, any down here? There's some down here. There's some 2s, but not a lot. See, there's some 2s here, concentrated 2s here, but not a lot. All right, okay. And then we're going to look at this one. The next one is 210 AB. And it's a division. I call it it's a division, divided. Okay, let's see. And it's going to be a lighter purple. So is it on the flowers? Yeah, you have 1, 2, 3. A couple here. Any here? Nope. About down here. Let's see. I'm just going to move her down. Nope. Oh, okay. It's down here. It's on the flowers here. Actually, there's a lot here. So far we have it on the purple flowers, okay? Which makes sense because they're purple. All right, so the next one is this one here. And this one is going to be, oh, mamma mia. It looks like a like a barbell. All right, let's see. It's on her face. I see some here on her nose, some here on her face, on the side of her face and chin. You have some down here. Okay. And do we have some on the moon? There has to be, right? Let's see. Huh. No. On the flowers. Ah, here it is. So it looks like this color is going to be on her face and it's going to be on her arm. There's a lot here. Yep. Okay. So her face and her arm. Now the next one is a check. Okay, and this one's A19AB. It's just a check. And it's going to be again on her face. Well, actually, we have some here. This one. I call them barbell. It's a barbell. But you have some there on the moon. Okay. Let's go back to this one. Sorry. The check. Let's see. So we said it's on her face. Any up here on her moon? Let's see. There's a lot of this one here also up here in the moon. Now I'm seeing it. Sometimes you miss, you know, you think you see something, but then you think you don't, but you do. Yep. All right. So that one is on her face. Okay. What else did we say? Yeah, it's on her face. All right. This one. This is the last one, and this is going to be, it looks like a capital J. And this is on the moon. I see it on the moon, all over here. Is it on her face? Nope. Yeah, it's on the moon. Okay, so the moon's going to be very sparkly. Any down here? Nope. Oh, there's some down here also. Some J's down here. Not a lot. All right, so it looks like all these sparkles are going to be mostly on the moon. Some on her face, some on her arm, because the moon is so bright and shiny, so it's reflecting off on her arm. There's some on the flowers, and definitely some down here on these flowers. Wow. You know what I love about this? It's just like, it's not like too much sparkle. It's just perfect. All right, I love that. All right, so yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you love her as much as I do. And yeah, go check them out. Isn't she just adorable? I just love everything about her. Oh, here goes a little drill that just came out of the bag. All right, hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Actually, wonderful week. Bye-bye.